Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a tree.
Yeah, we're going to draw a thankful tree. We hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Just a reminder, we're using Canson marker paper to draw on. That's because we're using markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have, like crayons or even colored pencils. Let's start by drawing our tree, the trunk of our tree. We're going to draw 2 lines. Oh, maybe we should start by drawing the face. No, let's draw the trunk. We're going to draw 2 lines coming down. I couldn't make up my mind. And I have a little space so that our trunk is wide. And I like how tall your tree is going to be. I'm going to make mine a little taller. Then we can draw the roots down here. I'm going to draw curves coming out to the side. And then we're going to draw a curve coming back in on each side. And then we can draw a letter V for the middle root. Yes, now let's draw the branches. And we're going to draw short little branches. I'm going to draw zigzags. And each branch that we draw is going to have a leaf that comes out of it. So you could draw more branches if you want to draw more things or write more things that you're thankful for. Or you could draw less if you want to draw or write less things. Yeah, there you go. Now that's our tree. Let's add a funny face to it. We're going to draw, or a happy face. I'm going to draw a little smile, 2 eyes. You could also change your funny face. Maybe it's really smiling big with an open mouth. I'm going to draw a little highlight or circle in the top left and then color in the big circle to make the eyes look shiny. Oh, and we could also add a heart. Okay, now we need to add our leaves. I'm going to start right here and we're going to draw a big curve that comes out, a point at the end, and then a curve that comes back in. Let's repeat that for all of the branches. We'll draw a big curve coming out to the point and back in. You could also overlap the leaves if you get really close to the other one. And we're going to go all the way around and repeat that same step for each branch. See, this one I overlapped. I went behind because it's so close to the other one. And you want to draw these leaves really big so that we can write words inside of the leaves of all the stuff that we're thankful for. And we did it. We finished drawing our thankful tree, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes. We'll fast forward this part, but at the end you can pause the video and match our same coloring. Or you could just use our drawings as inspiration for yours and change the colors however you want. We still have one more step. We need to write all of the things that we're thankful for inside of each leaf. It looks so much better with all of the things that we're thankful for. Did you have fun?
Yes.
And you also can't forget art.
And our art friends.
Oh yes, for sure. We're super thankful for our friends. I need to add another leaf so I can add them too.
We hope you had fun drawing your thankful tree.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.